Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina, just coming to you with another concept for those plastic bags that I was inspired to purchase from LBE. So I have 6x6 paper, and I took them and cut them down to size by measuring it. I also put a bottom in these bags. So I put the backer in there, as well as a strip on the front. So whatever item I put in here, I'm going to give it some height. But that's just a way to dress these bags up just a little bit. If you saw my short, then you saw the one that I'd already completed. It's got the perfume, the lipstick, and the handmade bracelet in it. The bracelet is made of onyx and crystals. It is a semi-precious stone bracelet that I handmade. I do handmade bracelets with semi-precious stones. Here's another one with a more Christmas look. And two more I'm done. The rose. And then this one I just have a bottom in, but I did decorate the paper with some paper flowers. And this concept I will use for a teenager. So that's just another way to enhance your business and dress up your bags. Give them a festive look, or just decorate them so that they have a more elegant look to them. I think this turned out beautifully. Tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you're looking for those types of papers, you can get those papers at Hobby Lobby in paper packs from the Paper Studio. And some of those papers that I used came out of this pack. Well, these packs of paper are $5.99. They are the 6x6 sheets, and as you can see, you get some very, very pretty papers in here that you can use to line those bags with. Okay? So, be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Bye-bye.